This conference will now be recorded.
Hello DBS, welcome to my session, Master Oracle 19c RAC in a minute. So today I'm taking six session. So today I will discuss about cluster terminology. So what is a cluster? So cluster is basically a group of independent computer, but all are connected through network, and that network you can say interconnect, and they will act as a single system to the end user. Okay, and it basically to increase the availability and the performance, or to balance dynamically changing workload. So what does it mean by availability? Availability means if suppose one node is down, or you can say one server is down, so if we configure failover, so automatically all the user who are connected to that server will transfer to the running server, which is the part of this rack system. Okay, and performance wise, we can distribute the load of the user so that one type of user is accessing from node 1, one type of user is accessing the data from node 2, like that. And what is mean by dynamically changing workload? How you will balance if suppose data is increasing and your existing nodes are not capable to handle the thing, so we will add another node. So basically, Oracle support a shared disk cluster architecture, providing load balancing and failover capabilities. And in Oracle cluster, all nodes must share the same processor architecture and run the same operating system. And from Oracle database, 12c Flex ASM allows nodes in the cluster access to shared storage indirectly through an ASM instance and another node in the cluster. Okay, so this is the cluster terminology, and after that there is a term which is called as clusterware. So that we will discuss in next session. So that's it for this session, and uh, 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 I have one request to all my existing subscriber. Please don't forget to like, comment, share to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. If you do this, it will motivate me. And those who are not subscribing, so I request to all of them, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride, so that you can get the notification whenever I'm uploading any new video. Okay. So thanks again for being here and happy learning. Bye.